Look about guys, this is AJ. I'm just going to be doing a train spotting at Tempe for Tempe part something. I've done a lot of trains at Tempe. There will be no more talking in this video, so sit back and enjoy. It's a Sunday too, so sit back and enjoy. Bye. Tangara, no, I'm not going to be talking. It's changing tracks. What? That's weird. And an Oscar that's about to change tracks.
Look, it's got to stop, otherwise it's going to hit it. Look how they're changing tracks.
Shh.
I don't know.
It's good to stay here. See that?
They have to, they're changing tracks.
Right.
Alright, they will be talking in this video. The front four cars, H37. The V4 cars, T37. I mean the V2 cars, H37. So they're changing tracks today, okay. I think we have a Tangara approaching platform number 4. The front 4 cars, T100. That is a Hornsby set. It looks like it's passing. We forecast T59. Tangara arriving platform number 3. The front forecast T71. T71 now just departed platform number 3. It's gonna cross tracks. We forecast T121, Hornsby set.
It's been working all the way down where Sydney is.
Yeah. Guys, we have an Explorer on platform 1 passing. And a train on platform 4 passing. I really want to see the Explorer. It's 4 cars. The front 4 cars, T91. There's the Explorer. Mum, the Explorer's here.
I saw it. Don't try and stop me, do they?
I think it's arriving. There it is, the Explorer.
Oh, it's too hot, AJ, I'm good.
I think it's passing, arriving. The V4 car's T98. Sorry, I didn't really get the one on platform 1. Okay, bye, no more talking, bye. Stuff you Tangaras. Tangara passing platform number 3. The front 4 car's T36. The weather forecast T110. Well, yeah, we've been getting a lot of 100 sets lately. We have Oscar on platform 3 passing, which is stopped in the middle, and we have a Tangara passing platform 4. Let's see which will come first. Tangara passing platform number 4. The front forecast D47. It looks like the Tangara is coming first. We forecast T5. Looks like the Oscar's having a little rest. We have a Oscar passing platform number 3. The front forecast H31. Eight cars. The rear forecast H30. Philippines. Tangara passing platform number 3. The front forecast T22. The rear forecast T35. We have a Tangara. We have a Tangara passing platform number 4. The front forecast T69.
Yeah, we're waiting for him, but that
I heard a choo-choo 8:30 as well.
yeah, we too, we're waiting for that too. But they haven't come back. I know.
Beep it! He did it, at least. We forecast T4. I've seen this train before. In one of my last vlogs, I seen this train, T4. I seen that. We have a Explorer passing platform number 1. That's returning to Central from Canberra. I'm just wearing my thongs. Tangara arriving platform number 3. The front forecast T18. T18 now just departed platform number 3. T18 just departed platform number 3. The forecast T37. We have a Tangara arriving into platform number 4. The front forecast T44. The forecast T54. We have a Tangara passing platform number 3. The front forecast T76. Forecast T25. And we have a Tangara passing platform number 4. The front forecast of the Tangara on platform 4 is... We have a Tangara passing platform number 4. The front forecast T10. Wow, there's another one! Nah, he didn't do it. The forecast T39. Right, one more train.
Yeah, no steam train and no another one.
We're waiting for a steam train, but we can't seem to get
Cargo
one. Yeah. Tangara passing platform number 3. The front forecast T14. The forecast T101. Just one more. Alright, one more.